water, water, city, city, little, little. The fast D sound occurs when the letter T actually sounds like the letter D pronounced very quickly. That means that you can either raise the tip of your tongue to the top of your mouth and make contact very fast, or you can simply raise and lower your tongue very quickly. The sound again will not be t, t, but more like the. For instance, the word water, water. Again, making contact with the front of your tongue and the top of your mouth, or just raising that front of your tongue very quickly. This occurs in several different situations, including before the letter L, like in little, when the letter T is surrounded by vowels, like in the word city, and also when it follows an R and is then followed by the letter Y, like in 40. Let's now take a look at some example words. Water, water, city, city, little, little, better, better, matter, matter, waiter, waiter, 80, 80, title, title, daughter, daughter, lighter, lighter, butter, butter. Want some more practice with these and other sounds in American English pronunciation? Be sure to check out our website at fluentamerican.com and also subscribe to the channel to get updates when the latest videos come out. Thank you guys so much for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.